Hey guys, so welcome to another episode of BA Performance. So today we're going to show you how to test your fuses. We're going to be doing it on my E90 BMW 335i, but this is pretty much across the board for any vehicle with any fuses. So all you really need though is a voltmeter, and we'll dive into it and show you how to do it with a voltmeter. So in this particular one, the fuse box is way back here in your glove box, very inconveniently placed. So pull everything out of your glove box. There's two little tabs you gotta twist. Should give you access to your fuse panel.
Again,
Yep, right there are the fuses. And if you still have it, you can use your trusty flashlight, but the garbage anyway. So,
wow, they are nice and far back in there.
Yeah, like really far back in there. So what we're gonna do is turn our voltmeter on to 12 volts. We are going to touch. So all you're going to do is you're going to take the voltmeter and you're going to touch each side of the actual fuse. There should be two little metal prongs there, and that will give you your voltage reading. However, this one's not actually plugged in, so you won't see a voltage reading, but we'll touch one and you'll see here soon. Oh boy, I'm not sure how can't really. I'm getting nothing on any of them.
Are you sure you don't have to put the ground to like a bolt or something? And then just touch the red one to one end of it?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yep, there you got something. Let me see if I can show what you're doing in there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but
Kind of, sort of.
fuses there. You should invent a alligator clip attachment for the ground leads.
Yeah. Or I should just get an alligator clip. That's a better idea.
There you go.
Because yeah, it's tight squeeze in there. I can't even reach my arm properly to get to all of these things.
Right. Okay, so he's putting an alligator clip on the ground so he can easily ground it while testing the fuses. It's pretty hard to reach two arms back there.
Okay, so yeah, it's working now. Okay, the fuse is good. Okay, but that's just those are spares. Okay, so that's why that whole top row doesn't work.
Does it say spare on them or?
No.
Oh.
But it must be because there's no metal prong
Oh, okay.
for them to insert into.
So we found 4 that are not giving us any reading. I'll pull them out and look at them.
that one's broken.
Oh yeah, that one's burnt up there if you can see it here. And that's a 22.
Yeah, the problem is it's the one size I don't have a spare for.
Is Ace Hardware open today?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, it can only be 2 or 3 o'clock.
It's 2:30 now. So we should probably do that if we're gonna do that.
Yeah, because they probably close at 3, huh? 3 or 4. Alright, so we got a new fuse. We're gonna try it in there and see what it fixes. We had multiple problems. The one we're thinking it's gonna fix is probably the cigarette lighter.
Alright, so yeah, cigarette lighter works again. Huh. According to this, the battery only has 11.8 volts. I guess I can try and start it and see if that one fuse will start working.
Like maybe turn on your heated seats and I don't know, air conditioning maybe. Car's like, air conditioning and heated seats? What are you doing?
Still nothing. That one fuse.
Try windshield wipers. Ooh. I mean, they're working, so probably not that. Maybe you can look up online and see what that fuse does.
Doesn't work.
Oh,
Tried.
lame.
There's too many. They've made this car with too many options.
Oh, right.
So none of the diagrams are the same. Like even if I use your manual, won't tell me.
Right. I lost that manual anyway, so.
What?
Yeah. It's been missing for like a year.
What?
No idea what happened to it.
If you were gonna lose it, you could at least lost it with me.
I mean, as far as I know, it could be here. I don't fucking know. Gone. I know, annoying, right?
Yeah, and then so BMW has a thing where if you do lose your actual manual, you can go on their website and type in your VIN and it gives you the manual for your car. It just doesn't work for mine.
Oh, perfect.
Anyways, guys, that's how you check your fuses, test them, and see if they're blown out or not. So for now, why don't you guys like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Why don't you drop a comment and let us know what else you think we should be doing and showing you guys. Peace out.
Okay, as a bonus, we're in the, what is this, DCM, right?
Yeah, DCM, DCE, something like that.
And there's a couple fuses in here we're trying to figure out. One's got some power.
All but this one.
The one on the end. It'd be really nice now to see if it would get that fucker open.
Yeah, I'm half upset that it
Doesn't.
There's one in there that's not working.
Yeah.
How to get into it.
Well, you should fire it up. Turn it on maybe once.
See what it does then.
Yeah. Everything looks okay. It shouldn't get sucked in the engine or nothing.
Just that one.
So we found another bad fuse here. Okay, to open your DME fuse block, show them all the things that we had to do here.
Okay, so there is, and this is on top here, there is a clip down in here, which we just broke. And then on the back side, there are two clips that go in here. These little guys right here, which realistically, I mean, I don't know how that held it on, but it did.
Yeah, I mean, pushing them in kind of just, I don't know, wrecks them, but it worked.
It's good and back together.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with this though.
Fuses are fine, even though for some reason we have no power to that one.
Broke ass performance is what it stands for.